diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to share with you some finds that I got from the folks over at Diamondartgift. So some of these are super cute, and I'm excited to show them to you. So I'm just going to dive right in. I'm going to save the canvases for later. I've got a couple of off the canvas items that I want to share first. So this first item, as you can see, is a little mandala that you diamond paint. It's a little makeup mirror. So it's got, it unfolds. It's got a mirror on the inside. I'm not going to show you what it looks like on the inside because you'll just be looking at my camera, which is boring. You diamond paint on both sides, so you can lay it flat and diamond paint it. And it's just a cute mandala, and I've not seen anything like this before, and I've not done anything like this before. This will be another one of those kind of quick wins for me. So we get a standard kit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. Not very many drills, as you can see, just, what is this, 6 different drills. So let's look at our rhinestones. So we've got a very pretty kind of pale turquoise, kind of a smoky clear, a darker blue, a dark turquoise, and then we've got a couple of special drills. We've got these very tiny blue raindrops. Definitely will be digging out my pretty placer or wax pen to place those. And then we've got some very pretty small pearl teardrops. So I just thought this one again was super cute. It's small, easy to do, quick to finish, and it'll be a nice, off the canvas item. Now, if I was going to use this or carry it, I definitely would seal it after you diamond painted it. If it goes in a purse or something, it's going to get knocked around. Mine would likely just be sitting like on the counter or something. So yeah, super cute. Oh, and this was $5.99. And one side is a magnifying mirror. So you get a regular mirror on one side and then a magnifying mirror on the other side. So yeah, super cute. Okay, that was item number 1. Let me get out the other off the canvas item. Okay, so I've done other ones like these before. These are keychains, but I just thought they were really cute, especially for summer. You guys, look, they're little flip-flops. How cute is that? So you diamond paint on both sides, and there's 5 different designs. Let me just lay them out here. So each one has a different design on it. This one looks like it has like little fruits and stuff, flowers, a butterfly, a little sun, another flower. So you get a standard kit, a boat, plate of wax, pink pin, and then of course in here are all the chains and the little hooks to turn them into keychains. And let's look at our drills. Okay, so our drills, let's look at all these pretty rhinestones. So we've got a red, a yellow, kind of a salmon color, a pale turquoise, a mulberry, a purple, some clear, kind of a pinky purple, another turquoise, a pale purple, like another salmon color, a true turquoise, and then like a golden yellow. Yeah, I just thought these would be really cute. I like the little watermelons. I like the little flowers, the butterfly, the sun, like I said, on the little toe pieces, and dating myself here. When I was a kid, we didn't call these flip-flops, we called them thongs. And then thongs came along, and so then you had to call these something else. So now these are flip-flops, so the younger generation doesn't get confused. But if you had told, 10-year-old me to go find my thongs, it would have been my shoes I was looking for. Okay, let me get these put away, and then I will come back and I will show you the other 2 cute canvases that I got. So don't go anywhere. All right, this is one of the other kits that I ordered. These are both really cute, and I can't wait to see how they turn out. Ooh, this canvas is nice and soft and easy to roll. Okay, look how tight I can roll that up. Super soft. All right, standard toolkit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. And you can see it is a round drill kit, so you can see all the colors there. Oh, I don't think I told you guys how much the flip-flops were. Those were $7.99 if I didn't mention that. And look at this little guy. It's just this cute little dinosaur, this little baby dinosaur, and I just thought he was adorable. So it is a 30 by 30. It does have a white background. Not my favorite, but it does have the eye symbol so that you can, be a little loosey-goosey with your placement of drills. They're not perfect. That's okay with me. We've got 19 colors, and we do have the DMC codes, so that's good. It is nice and sticky. Of course, there's going to be some great multi-placing here in the background. His tummy, his mouth, those are all white. And then you've got some confetti over the rest of him. So let's measure 30 by 30, and it is actually 25 by 25. So 25 by 25. Now let's get the drills out and look at the drills. Okay, for drills, we've got black. This is all the black that's in the kit, so that's nice. And then, of course, as expected, we've got all these shades of green. So we've got like a light spring green, a slightly paler shade of green, and then a very light green. We've got kind of a pale yellow and then more of a mustard yellow. We've got a sage green, kind of a brown, and then another mustard yellow. Some more greens. It's like a true green, a dark green, and then a spring green. We've got a pale peach, a very pale green, some kind of bubblegum pink, a sage green, kind of a dark forest green, and then we've got 4 bags of white. So lots of different greens, some pinks, some browns, and yeah, I just thought this one was super cute. So again, would have been perfect if I could have found something like this with the glasses on for my sister, but it's cute and I just think it'll be adorable when it's done. And this one was $4.99. All right, let me put these drills away and we will open the last kit. All right, here we are for the last kit. This one is going to be super quick, but it's super cute and I can't wait to see how this one turns out. Ooh, again, the canvas is nice and super soft to roll up. So we get our standard toolkit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. You can see this is a special drill kit. And look at this cute guy. It's a rainbow dragon. So this might be something I could actually complete for Pride. We'll see if I can get around to it. I've got so many other things planned, but it is a 30 by 30. 9 colors, so not a ton of colors, and it looks like there are 2 special drills, and it does actually have the color codes for the crystals. So if you keep them by color codes, I have the codes. I've kind of given that up because it just seems like between companies the colors do not match exactly, so I kind of just eyeball it these days, but the codes are there if you want them. It is nice and sticky where you need it to be. I just thought he was super cute with the rainbow and everything, and no white because it's a special drill partial, and yeah. So let me dig into the drills. So again, we've only got 9 colors. So we've got a purple, kind of a berry watermelon red, a dark purple, an orange, a red, a turquoise, a green, and then we've got 2 types of special drills. We've got a green round drill, and then we've got a purple star. So the purple stars you can see are going to go here in the clouds, and then the green ones are going to kind of go all over his little tail. Hey guys, editing me here. I finished some items, and so I wanted to show them to you. So here is the little compact mirror finished, and I actually really love how this turned out. I love the little pearls here, the little teardrop pearlescent teardrops, and let me tell you, those little tiny teardrop slivers were not fun to put in there, but I got my pretty placer out and went to town, and I think it turned out really well. I'm super happy with this. It does need to be sealed because it is still a bit tacky where the glue was on the edges. So before I want to carry it or, leave it laying around anywhere, I'm going to seal the edges of it. So there's that one. And then I also finished the very cute little rainbow dragon. Look how cute he is. And the stars, and then the big green drills here were the special drills, and everything else was rhinestones. I kind of wish something had been there for his eye, but I'm okay with it the way it is. I think it turned out super cute. It's a super cute little rainbow dragon, and yeah, it was easy, it was quick. I think This one took me like 45 minutes, and this one took me maybe hour 15, something like that to finish. So now I've got 2 finishes to add. Okay, back to the rest of the unboxing video. Super cute, super easy to finish, and I just thought he was adorable with the little rainbow and everything. He's got his little snaggle tooth there, and yeah, I just thought he was cute. So 30 by 30. Oh, I forgot to measure this. 30 by 30. Of course, it's a partial, so the drill field is going to be less, but 25 by 25. So once I cut off, when I finish it, if I cut off the extra, it'll be 25 by 25. Easy to fit in my portfolio. And this one, if I forgot to say, was also $4.99. So let me grab everything else and do a little bit of a recap. So we've got our cute little rainbow dragon here. We've got our adorable little dinosaur. We've got our very cute flip-flop keychains, and then we have the very pretty compact mandala mirror. I will, as always, put links to all of these down below so that you can check these items out, as well as anything else that might catch your eye while you're there. Before you leave, guys, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.